Hey everyone, what's up guys? Today we're diving into something that might totally bend your mind. 10 theories that prove our universe is fake. Yeah, this is going to get weird. So grab a snack, sit back. Okay, let's go. Number 10, the simulation theory. Alright, let's start with the big one. The simulation theory basically says that our entire universe could be a giant computer simulation. Like The Sims, but we're the Sims. Elon Musk talks about this a lot. Some physicists and philosophers take it seriously too. The idea is simple. If technology keeps advancing, one day we might be able to simulate entire universes. Not just video games, but conscious beings inside them. Now think about this. If future civilizations can create thousands or millions of simulated universes, then statistically, it's more likely we're inside one of those simulations than the original base reality. And here's where it gets creepy. Some scientists believe quantum mechanics, especially the way particles render, only when observed, could be like a graphics engine saving processing power. Like how video games only render what's in front of the player. Are we just extremely advanced code? Number 9, the Holographic Principle. This one sounds like science fiction, but it's actually based on real physics. The Holographic Principle suggests that everything in our 3D universe might actually be encoded on a 2D surface at the edge of the universe. Imagine a hologram on a credit card. It looks 3D, but it's actually flat. Some calculations in black hole physics led scientists to believe that information about objects falling into black holes is stored on the surface, not inside. Which led to a wild idea. What if our entire universe works the same way? What if we are projections? Not fake, but not fully 3D in the way we think. It's like we're characters in a cosmic hologram. Number 8, the brain in a vat theory. Okay, this one is disturbing. The brain in a vat theory says, what if your brain is actually floating in a tank somewhere, connected to wires that feed it electrical signals? Everything you see, feel, taste, touch is just signals being sent to your brain. You can't prove you're not a brain in a vat, because even your memories and logic could be part of the simulation. It's basically the Matrix, but worse, because there may not even be a real body, just you and signals. Take a second and think about that. Number 7, quantum weirdness. Quantum physics is already strange, but some interpretations suggest reality doesn't exist until we observe it. In the famous double-slit experiment, particles act like waves until someone observes them. Then they behave like solid particles. It's like the universe waits for you to look at it before deciding what to be. Why? Some suggest reality is not fully loaded until it needs to be, like a video game reducing lag. If that's true, then reality is more interactive than solid. It responds to observation, almost like it's programmed that way. Number 6, the Mandela Effect. Have you ever remembered something clearly, only to find out it never existed? Like the Berenstain Bears versus Berenstein Bears. Or movie quotes that everyone swears were real, but aren't. Some people think this is just bad memory, but others suggest something else. What if timelines shift? What if we're in a simulation that occasionally updates and not everyone's memory syncs correctly? Like a glitch after a software patch. It sounds crazy, but when thousands of people share the exact same false memory, it makes you pause. Number 5, mathematical universe hypothesis. This theory says the universe isn't just described by math. It is math. Every particle, force, law, all mathematical structures. Physicist Max Tegmark suggests that reality is fundamentally a mathematical object. If that's true, then physical stuff isn't real the way we think. It's just mathematical relationships playing out. Almost like lines of code running perfectly. And honestly, the deeper physics goes, the more it looks like equations instead of solid objects. That's strange. Number 4, Plato's cave. This idea is ancient. Plato imagined people chained inside a cave, only able to see shadows on a wall. For them, the shadows are reality. But outside the cave, there's a bigger world. What if we're in the cave? What if everything we see is just a shadow of a higher dimension we can't perceive? Maybe what we call reality is just a limited projection of something far greater. And we're stuck looking at shadows. Number 3, the multiverse theory. Some versions of multiverse theory suggest infinite parallel universes. Every decision you make branches into another universe. Some go further. What if our universe is just one of countless simulations running at once? Like tabs open in a cosmic browser. If there are infinite universes, then somewhere there's a version of you watching this video who made slightly different choices. That's not just cool. It's unsettling, because it makes our reality feel less unique. Number 2, glitches in the Matrix. People report strange experiences, time skips, repeating events, impossible coincidences. Now, most of these can be explained logically, but the idea remains interesting. If this is a simulation, wouldn't glitches happen? Rendering errors, physics bugs, unexpected behavior, even things like déjà vu, that strange feeling you've lived this moment before. Is it just brain chemistry? Or is it a system lag? Nobody knows, but it makes you wonder. Number 1. Consciousness as the creator. Here's the deepest one. What if reality isn't creating consciousness? What if consciousness is creating reality? Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest the observer plays a central role. Some philosophers argue that without awareness, nothing exists. So maybe the universe isn't a physical machine. Maybe it's more like a dream, and we're all part of the same mind experiencing itself. That flips everything upside down. Because if consciousness is fundamental, then reality might not be something out there. It might be something happening within. Alright guys, that's 10 theories that suggest our universe might not be real. Pretty wild, right? Let me know in the comments which one messed with your head the most. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to support me. See you in the next one.